Okay, traders, welcome back. This is Aftab. I welcome you all to my YouTube channel. Tell me, how is everyone doing? Gold gave um, fantastic moves, fantastic moves. And you remember that level of 3708. It was a very nice one. Right here, if I show you this one, when we got this ABCD pattern, this one. From here till here and the ABCD pattern got completed. The exact level was this, and it got completed on interest rate decision later in the night. So yes, it got completed, and since then the market dropped. There was one level that was on my radar list, and as per the technicals, that radar list says to buy from here, and it got a good rejection from here, but the rejection failed. Now this is a very important information for me, very extremely important information for me, because the first Fibonacci got failed. Now I also want to tell you that this session is less of a technical and more of a psychological, because the trader is not facing the problems, the technical problems. Majority of the traders are having the psychological problems, right? Like the trader doesn't know where to enter and where to exit, and if the trader wants to enter at a certain point, there will be some doubts in the mind, there will be some negative thoughts. Oh, that trade go against me, so what if this one go against me as well? So this, even on previous Sunday I said that this market is a reflection of the human psychology as a mass. Okay, and this is just like another life inside, I should say. So let me tell you one thing: as far as we don't control our emotions, we will not be able to succeed in forex. This is like a rule of thumb. Now the real question is, how do we control our emotion? I want to give you a quick assignment, I should say. How do you control your emotion in the real life? Just tell me this. In the real life, there are several emotions we have. How do we control them? Like, for example, if a person has to go to the office by his car and he is afraid of driving, then my friends, how come this possible that person can drive the car and go to his office in the car? Not very much possible. So same is right here on these charts. I mean, literally, like each and every person these days is giving the forecast. If this level breaks, do that. If that level breaks, do that. Or this and that. Each and every person try to claim a guru. Try to, like, everyone is just after like proving himself again and again and again and again. My friend, it may not work, not even for the gurus and not even for the us, the retail traders. Forget Forget forex if you are looking at it this way. For example, the one who took a buying decision right here, if that person took this decision from right here and it got failed yesterday, does that mean the system doesn't work? What do you say? No, it doesn't mean it at all that the system doesn't work. Now, does that mean the trader was wrong? No, it also does not mean it that the trader was wrong. Not at all. The trader was completely correct. Okay? If you took a buy right here and your SL is hit and you are regretting or you are cursing yourself that, oh, why yet another losing trade, then I should say this is not your fault. But yes, if you were not looking, or if a trader was not looking for this market as a bullish all the way from right here, let's say, then from right here upon this breakout, then right here upon this breakout, if one was not looking at it as a bullish from here and took a bullish opportunity right here, then yes, my friend, that trader did a mistake. Why? Because market is already overbought. We have to use our mind as well. How? We have to use our mind in such a way that, okay, on the interest rate decision, the news was negative for the dollar. There was, like, from the whole world, a lot of the traders present in the market who were buying. So why they couldn't close it above 37.0608 somewhere? Why? Their intentions are something else. They have different intentions. Now, what are those intentions that we actually find on the chart? So having these strong sellers in the market, buying right here was completely okay. If one took buy here, one buy here, one here as well, then it's okay. You made profit from here till here, here till here, here till there. Then obviously some sort of stop losses has to be hit. That was completely normal. Okay, now let's delete again everything. I just want to drag the video too much. For today, we have very clear support level between 36.23 and 36.14. Let's make it a bit 36.10 as well, maybe till here. Yes, this, and make this one as 36.20. This is now our support for today, and obviously that was our, like, this is our resistance. Now one more thing I want to tell you, and that is right here, this is the resistance, this is the support, but how to trade these levels on a regular basis, that requires understanding of the strategy. Let's zoom the chart a little bit as this and move to the H1 time frame. I covered all of these stories in the previous videos, so I'm sure you will be checking them out. They live stream as well one day before the news, before the interest rate decision. There is this right now present on the chart. Look, remember, when you look at a video and when someone is analyzing the market, and gives the level, it seems very nice, very calm, very peaceful. But when you actually trade that, there, my friends, you go slightly wrong. Then there are traders keep losing the money, keep losing the money, keep destroying the mental health. I'm not just talking about 1%, 2%, 3%. I'm talking about 90% of the traders. 90% of the trader right now keep repeating the same mistake again and again and again and again. So yesterday what it was showing me early yesterday morning when I was looking at it before the London Open, I discussed it with the members. Members made plenty of profit and I'm so much happy for them. Why? Because they trusted my system. They didn't think in their mind that, oh, we are paying this person this XYZ amount, so why we are paying him. They have shown trust over the system. So obviously from right here, some members took buying right here as well, then selling from there as well. Some took only selling from right here, some took buying from right here as well. Last night from here till here. Try to be like, first of all, deal with your doubts. Clear your doubts, my friends. If you really want to be successful, try to look this market with an emotional perspective. So this was the 61.8% retracement. This was the break of trend. I personally traded this as well. And personally right now I am also holding sell position. But like I said, I have no doubt if this trade go against me, I do nothing. I don't regret. Why? Because I followed my own system. And believe me, I tried several times to make a bot for this strategy, but I'm unable to make it. Because every day is different from the previous day. So the thing is, we need understanding of it. We need understanding of the life as well. Just like in life, if you are a good person, if you follow all the rules of life, if you are, let's say, following your religion, if you are kind enough to others, if you are taking care of the elders, your life is peaceful. Same is the case right here. If you follow the discipline, if you follow the lessons, if you follow the strategy very nicely, if you respect the levels, if you trust the strategy, if you have less doubt before taking the trade, if you have no regrets on the hit of the SLs, automatically you will be peaceful. And just don't focus on the numbers. Okay? Just don't focus on the numbers. The divine will be rewarding you. Remember, the divine will be rewarding you. Now you can look at it with your spiritual point of view or with your religious point of view, whatever you want to look at it. But I call the term divine, so it is for everyone. So now, my friend, the thing is, it is still showing me a sell. Even today, even after this pullback. Even I like to do the analysis most of the time, but then when I see that the people are having emotional problems, so technicals cannot help in the emotions. Right now this is ABCD present in the market, and it will be present in the market. It can fail, it can give profits to those who understand the strategy. And this is the intraday 61.8% retracement as well, because those bulls who appeared from right here yesterday, the intraday ones, they obviously left the position, and the market now seems like coming back to 36.20. Well, it cannot. Remember, everyone will be getting their portion of profit from the market. No hard and fast rule, right? So I don't just want to further drag the video, okay, and this is what it is. There is now a lot of the things I can further discuss, but see, like this is this channel as well. Most mentors out there will be treating it as a channel, which is obviously not bad. This is also good as this channel. Thing is the same. Even those support resistance traders, they are looking for buys near 36.20, 36.17. But I will say this big candle has some sort of meaning for me at this stage. That meaning will be lost when the market gives me a break above 36.71. Simple. And by no means this is a trading signal. By no means I want to tell anyone to sell or to buy. Because after all, one is going to do what his intuition says. I know, I know most traders watch thousands of videos, follow thousands of mentors. Most traders follow most people, most forums, most signals, groups, etc. But will be doing their own emotional thing. Try to get out of it, my friends, okay? Try to get out of it. Yesterday, I received a message from a person. I would not like to say his name. But you know, I get so much sad. So much sad by looking at his message that he says, I have nothing much to lose. How painful this word is. So I'm also telling you, if you have equities, I know you guys are paying for different strategies, for different stuff. Just try my system for 3 months. See the difference. And by the 3 months, if you couldn't see the difference, if you couldn't make it in Forex, then I will advise you one more other thing. Quit Forex trading then. Because the way I look at this market, I look at it as the way I look at life. Right? So if you have any stuck trades, if you are on any big losses, do contact me, because in public right here I don't know about your situation, and I get so many messages per day. So yes, do contact me and I will guide you further what we need to do more. And when I teach, I don't just teach these charts. I will give you some practices. Maybe one day I will be telling you, go have a walk in the park early in the morning, 1 hour. So some practical life lessons will be there as well, and I'm not creating a hype as well. Till now so far you didn't understand my method of forex trading. Till now so far, that would be very strange if you didn't understood my method, right? So yes. Now one more thing, I will not be chasing this market at all if it stops me out above it. Not at all. Because from the inside I know that okay, today was not my day. There will be on Monday onwards I will get more profits. Yesterday I made profit, the day before that I made profits. It's okay if I lose now. And my risk to reward is anyways better. And here is one more request I want to have, like, and that is, just don't ask me gold is going up or gold is going down. Please don't ask me such questions. If you want to ask, if you are really curious to know about the gold US dollar, ask me. take a do your analysis on a chart, send it to me. I will check it and I will tell you if your analysis is correct or not correct. So yes, my friend, the video length is again, oh, 22 minutes. I wasn't supposed to be talking this much to all of you today. So I have to edit this video as well. So yes, let's see what it brings us. My prayers is always with you. Okay, those of you who want to stay in touch with me, link will be given in the description. Okay, and I work one on one. I means like just you in the meeting, I'm in the meeting, no other person, so that you know me better, I know you better, then the equation will be working nicely. Clear? So take care, see you maybe in the evening. Goodbye.